highest common factor. We will take two numbers as an example, 12 as well as 32. The factors for 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and for the factors of 32 are 1 into 32, 2 into 16, and 4 into 8. So if we can summarize, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So the common factors are 1, 2, 4. So out of which the highest common factor of 12 and 32 is 4. HCF here of 12 and 32 is 4. We will see one more example. The HCF of two numbers 60 and 72 is, if you can go for finding the factors, 2 can be factorized as 30 and 36. Again 2, 15 and 18. And 3 is 5 as well as 6. 3 into 5 is equals to 15. 3 into 6 is equals to 18. So the common factors of 60 and 72 are 2, 2, 3. So the common factors of 60 and 72 are 2 into 2 into 3, that is equals to 12. The 5 and 6 are uncommon factors. This is how we are going to derive the HCF of two numbers. GCD of two numbers. Okay. First of all, we have to find the common factors for the two numbers. See, for 24 as well as 60, these are the common factors. First, we have to find individually the factors for 24 and 60. After that, we have to find the common factors. This is how we are going to find the GCD, greatest common divisor for these two numbers. For 24 and 60, these are the common numbers. Okay, common factors. Observe carefully. 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 is equals to 12 is the GCD of 24 and 60. GCF, we are going to find the GCF. GCF can be found in two ways. Method 1, for example, for 24 and 36, we have to find factors for each number. After that, list the common factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, and we have to circle the greatest common factor. Which one? This is a 12 in this case. This is method 1. And method 2 is using the prime factors. List all the prime factors. 24 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So now we have to list the common prime factors. They are 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. So this is equals to 12. In these two methods, we can find the GCF, the greatest common factor. Exercise 3.6. Problem number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers 18 and 48. We will go for prime factorization of 18 and 48. For 18, 2 can be factorized into 9 and 3 can be 3 into 3. 3 can be 1. And for 48, 2 can be into 24. 2 into 24 is 48. 2 into 12 is 24. Okay. If you can observe, the factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3, and for 48, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So here the common numbers, the common factors are 2 and 3. So see here 2 and 3 are the common factors. Hence the HCF is equals to 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. For the next two numbers 30 and 42, again we will go for the prime factorization. 30, 2 can be factorized into 15, 3 can be factorized into 5. Okay, the next number 42, we'll go for 2 can be factorized as 21, 3 can be factorized as 7. Okay, now we will see the common factors. 30, factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5, 42 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. So the common factors are 2 and 3. Okay, check out here 2 and 3. So the HCF is equals to 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Next two numbers 18 and 60. We will go for prime factorization. For 18, 2 can be factorized into 9. 3 can be 3 into 3 is 9. Okay. Next for 60, 2 can be factorized into 30. Again 2 can be factorized into 15. So 3 into 5, 5 into 1. Now we will see the factors for 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 and 60 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. If you can observe, 2 and 3 are the common factors. Okay, so the HCF of 18 and 60 is equals to 2 into 3, that is 6. For the numbers 27 and 63, we will go for prime factorization. For 27, 3 can be factorized into 27 as 9. 3 can be factorized as 9, 3 into 3. And we will see for 63, 3 can be factorized 21. 3 can be factorized 3 into 7, 21. Now we will see the common factors. For 27, it is 3 into 3 into 3. For 63, it is 3 into 3 into 9. So the common factors are 3 occurring twice, if you can observe. So it is 3 into 3, that is 9. Okay, this is the HCF. And we will see for the numbers 36 and 84. Prime factorization is the method. For 36, 2 can be factorized 2 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 3 is 9. This is how. So the factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And for 84, 2 can be factorized the 84 as 42. 2 into 42 is 84. 2 into 21 is 42. 3 into 7 is 21 and 7 into 1 is 7. So the factors of 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. If you can observe, the common factors are 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Okay, so the HCF is 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Next numbers 34 and 1 are 2. For 34, 2 can be factorized as 17. 17 into 1 is 17. So factors of 34 are 2 into 17. And for the number 1 or 2, 2 into 51 is 1 or 2. 3 into 17 is 51. So 1 or 2 factors are 2 into 3 into 17. So the common factor is 17 only. Okay, 17 as well as 2. I am sorry, 2 and 17. So the HCF is 2 into 17, that is 34. Okay. For the three numbers 70, 105 and 175, same method we have to follow. Prime factorization. For 70, the factors are 2, 5 and 7. For 105, the factors are 3, 5 and 7. And for 175, the factors are 5, 5 and 7. Out of which the common factors are 5 into 7. So the HCF is 5 into 7, that is 35. Next one, the given numbers are 91, 112 and 49. If you can go for the prime factorization, for 91, 7 can be factorized into 13. 13 into 7 is 91. Okay, so the factors are 7 into 13. Next, 112, 112. The factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. These are. Next, for 49, 7 into 7. So if you can observe, 7 is the common factor. So the HCF is 7 here. Next, the given numbers are 18, 54 and 81. We will go for the prime factorization of 18, 54 and 81. For 18, the factors are 2 into 3 into 3. And for 54, they are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. And for 81, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So here the common factors are 3 into 3 because 3 occurring twice. Okay. So 3 into 3 is 9 is the common factor, HCF. Next, given numbers are 12, 45 and 75. The prime factorization of 12, 45 and 75 are 12. The prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3. And for 45, 3 into 3 into 5. For 75, 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 5 into 5. If you can observe, 3 is the common factor. So the HCF is 3. Problem number 2. What is the HCF of two consecutive numbers and even numbers or odd numbers? The common factor of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Okay, for the first one answer. So HCF is also 1. Next, for the question B, the common factors of two consecutive even numbers are 1 and 2. So HCF is 1 into 2, that is 2. For the problem number C, the common factor of two consecutive odd numbers is 1. So the HCF is 1. Okay? Problem number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 is equals to 2 into 2 and 15 is equals to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct or not? Tell me. Solution. The answer is no. Answer is not correct because 0 is not the prime factor of any number and 1 is always the prime factor of co-prime number. This is the reason. 0 is not the prime factor of any number. 1 is always the prime factor of a co-prime number. Okay? So the correct HCF of 4 and 15 is 1.